Touch ba? Mat.
We have results for U11 Mix Group A. Top 1 is DB Liloan Team A. Top 2 is CFC Academy Red. Again, the top 2 teams for U11 Mix Group A. Top 1 is DB Liloan Team A. Top 2 is CFC Academy Red.
High press, lagi Saka. Saka ba? Na, go!
Kana, patay. Uy.
Yan! Sige, ano kag? Kaya bakyo mo.
Hoy! Hoy, nakalimot ka ha!
Loren! Ano na, magdipinsa man to?
Nice.
Go! Dipinsa ganito mo anak ka, umong attack go, open.
For U11 Mix,
Mat.
top 2 teams and 2 wild cards. Top 2 teams,
Down the line.
each bracket and 2 wild cards. Next game, pitch 1A, Group C. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes 2A.
Ay, ginuo ko!
Powell Springer. Next game, pitch 1A, Group C. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Powell Springer. Pitch 1B, next game, Ateneo de Cebu Team B versus CFC Academy White. Ateneo de Cebu Team B versus CFC Academy White.
Alin. Anong busay na lang yun? Saka! Go, push!
Linya.
Saka! Pressure, mat. Dagan, uy!
Next game, pitch number 3, Men's Open,
Nice.
Selaros Team A versus Kanduman Legends Team B. Selaros Team A versus Kanduman Legends Team B. For pitch number 4, Men's Open Group C, Icon FC versus Selaros Team B. Icon FC versus Selaros Team B, pitch number 4.
Go, Matt, push! Outside!
Icon FC and Selaros Team B, pitch number 4.
Sana Paulis yan.
Now, ito. Ito. Find another option. Or, what's the final option? Check lang. Bida na pagkulat ang Tom. Ano mo lang ito, Tom? Tyler! Ay, naging biyahe mo to! Tyler! Go, go, Boston! Go! One, Jay.
Foul.
That's the way, JR. Very good, Jay.
Good check.
Now, you take the hand. Mat. First option. Uy! Ayaw mo yun, nabul.
Lapas.
Go down, quick! Lahos, Matt! Lahos! Mura naman ang mga taon mo, mga pilihan mo, para dapat. Mahal kayo mo manuwa, kung kayo bawa ko kayo. Utok ka. Tao! Duwang! Yap, asa man tagaan?
Next game, pitch number 3, men's open. Overs versus Ateneo Cebu Alumni. Pitch number 3, men's open. Overs versus Ateneo Cebu Alumni.
Too much dribbler!
Pitch number 4, men's open company. Next game, Icon FC
Coach check.
versus Knowles FC. Icon FC versus Knowles FC.
Anton, sige Anton. Anton, what are you saying, Anton? You go inside. Anton! Duwala! Duwala! Nata, lagay yan. Ano pugpug ka eh? Tami! Gaya ay!
Hapit.
Come on, high press na yun. Very good there, Anton. Go. Down, Anton. Go down. Yan, yan. Hold the ball there, Anton. Sige nawang!
Next game, pitch 2A, Danau City FC versus Sports Gen International. Next game, pitch 2A, Group E, Danau City versus Sports Gen International.
Sander,
For
you
pitch
are supposed to
2B, next
receive,
game,
not
Group
to do
E,
through in, ha?
Don Bosco Team A versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes
Now,
Team
go
B.
down. Anton, go
Don
down.
Bosco Team A versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team B.
Arn. After you throw the ball, go there. Go there, Arn. Go down, Arn. Yan.
Kahiya.
Go on. Ay, babaw na kayo. Balin mo dito. Now go, hey. Go, get. Are dito. Laban. Go. Maybe there's something like Nice one, Arn. Come on, high press. Come on, more, 7 minutes. Come on, 7 minutes. Irene, 6.
Nice.
Welcome to the Father Rolando Athletics Field in Sacred Heart Street,
Anton.
where we can remind all guests that plastic bottles are not allowed inside
Now,
the
take your time. Easy.
Please
Ay, lagi
bring
pagdalit
it
sa amin.
to
Set
Trash
up
bins
there.
and garbage
Ayaw.
bags are not located around the field.
Smoking
Smoking and drinking is prohibited inside
Ayaw,
the campus.
bugaya ni mo tami, oy!
All do our part to keep the campus clean and
Dalawa,
safe.
Tam.
Thank
Nakalikabi
you
na
and
nun.
Majesty.
Dalawa, sunod! Tami, basaan mo ba? Tamot ka. Iko hatag-hatag yan yung palo. Bugaya, misteriya pa man. Again. Wala na rin. Mat! Mat! Shoot na mat ha. Amangan. Lawrence! Anton! Gerard! Wait! Yeah, now, this time you can go up. No, stay there. Same way kanina ba?
Shoot na! Wait.
Go!
Other side.
Hotdan sa hangin.
2A, next game 2A, Danau City versus Sports Gen International. At Danau City FC versus Sports Gen International. It's 2A.
Wang! Jack, focus on the defense line, Jack. Very good there, Sophia.
We're inviting all
Jay,
teams
come on, Jay, I like that. Come on, Jay. Come on, now. Jay, what did I tell you, Jay? Jay, keep it that way, Jay.
Coming Erko Sangguniang Festival is coming July 8, 2027 at Dynamic Stadium. For reservation, please contact Randy Ramos and Sherwin Rodriguez and Gina